morning, guys. It's Robin, the Lady Biker. Hey, kind of a bittersweet morning. Last night was our last night camping on this epic summer road trip. It's kind of a cool morning because we're still kind of in the mountains of, oh gosh, where the heck are we? Idaho? We're in southeastern Idaho, and we're still at elevation, so it's kind of cool. But the next 2 nights, as we continue down south through Utah, Nevada, and Southern California, are going to be really warm. So we're doing hotels. But it's kind of bittersweet. This was our last night camping. But anyway, today's going to be kind of a travel day, but it's still going to be beautiful. Down 89, a little bit on interstates as we go down through Utah. We're going to go past Salt Lake City. We're going to see all these gorgeous mountains. It's just going to be a beautiful ride. So let's pack up camp and hit the road. Well, guys, we are on the road. And the trials and tribulations of a motovlogger. I go to put my GoPro on my helmet so I can get some video as we ride. And the mount is starting to break. Now, to give y'all a little background and why I haven't done very much, or all of my face to camera has been when I'm off the bike, is because on day 3, I think it was, maybe 4, I think it was day 3. Anyway, go to put the one that I normally have on my helmet, and the clip that clips into the mount on the helmet broke. So, okay, not a problem. I have 2 mounts because I sometimes put one on Allie's helmet, so I just swapped them out, no problem. Get up this morning, day 14, go to put the mount, the GoPro on my helmet, and the mount is starting to break. I'm like, really? Oh my gosh. So, like all of us motovloggers, adapt, modify, move on. I'm into my Senna for a little bit until we can find us some super glue and hope that makes the mount stick until I can get home and get a new one ordered from Amazon. But anyway, guys, it's just one of those things, right? All right, well, we are on, let me slow down a little bit here. We are on Highway 89, headed south towards Salt Lake City right now, and it is a gorgeous morning. So hang on, let's go. All right, hey guys, we just made a quick stop somewhere between Montpelier, where we camped, in Salt Lake City. I'm not sure where we are, but look at all of this. And I don't know if the camera's catching it, but we can hear a stream. So we're gonna go take a walk down there real quick and see what we can find. Oh, guys, wasn't that a gorgeous stream? We stopped because I had a hot spot inside my helmet I had to adjust, but what an absolute find. But this Highway 89, now, mind you, we're in very northern Utah, but last fall, whenever I made my big road trip back to Texas in to Texas and California. There and back. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I rode through Sedona, Arizona on the trip back to California, and this reminds me so much of riding 89A there near Sedona, Arizona. The colors are different, but it is very similar in how, you know, you're riding in a canyon. It's beautiful. There's motorcycles every time you come around a curve. It's beautiful. Woo. So, hey, love.
Yep.
That was gorgeous, wasn't it?
It was.
So have you ever been any place that looks like this or reminds you of it? Or what does it make you feel riding down through here?
Oh, this is beautiful. And it kind of makes me try and project what it would be like coming through here on with oxen and a covered wagon, because this is the part of this was on the Oregon Trail.
Oh, that's right, it is.
And historically, how it would have been coming through here, following the valleys along the rivers, looking for a place to settle, or on your way heading west. So it kind of it's kind of fun to sit back and think, if I was in a wagon train, where would I want to stop? And if that's a good meadow to stop, or would I want to set up my homestead right over here in this valley?
Yeah. Oh, and we have seen some beautiful valleys, have we not?
Yep, we have.
Well, okay, guys, we are not too far from coming out of this canyon, and then it's going to be riding down along the plains through central Utah. So we're going to just go ahead and enjoy the rest of this ride. Hey guys, well, when last I left you, we had stopped in Provo, Utah to have lunch, and we're getting back onto Highway 89. Oh my gosh, it was so gorgeous. But clearly, I was not meant to video this afternoon. Not only did my second GoPro mount break on this trip, and so I'm out of my spares, get onto the road, and my Senna battery, I'm like, oh, it's all good. I don't need to charge it at lunch. It always holds a charge. Apparently not when I'm using it as my primary camera. Anyway, guys, the afternoon, it was spectacular. Really, 89 was stunning. Absolutely stunning. It was very different south of Provo than it was north of Salt Lake. It was like two completely different rides. It was gorgeous. So I am taking care of downloading what footage I have, talking to y'all. I've got to do a little bit of tweaking on our route for tomorrow, because we finally got our hotel for tomorrow night in Vegas. And because not only that, but we're going to be riding Bryce Canyon, maybe Bryce Canyon. I need to look. And definitely going through Zion National Park. So I cannot wait. So guys, we're going to crash. We're going to get up really early because it's supposed to be well into the triple digits. So we're going to try and
get out here early so that we're riding into Vegas pretty quickly after lunchtime. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get finished, get some sleep, and I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Good night.